And then we'll like hook it with a stick.
Don't video to hit the car. Stop! Don't stop it now. Oh my god, how many cars are gonna come? We're just trying to look at the dead squirrel.
Ow.
Stop videotaping it.
We had practice today?
We did? Yeah, Miss Molly just texted me no practice today.
Oh, crap.
That would have sucked.
Yeah. Oh, I didn't know that. Woo! We almost had cheer practice.
At 4.
My God is staring at us like it's fucking stupid. Keep driving. Come on. Keep driving. Okay, let's do it.
Is it dead?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
But what if it bites me?
Dead.
Then
I
pick.
just moved it with a stick. See? No, let's go. Come on.
Oh! I thought my foot was by it because the camera like zooms it in. Oh, is it zoomed in?
No.
Oh, yes it is. Okay.